in this video we'll learn how to create an animated heading for your WordPress website. So we'll first see what the final product will look like. So it will have something like this. So you have an animated sort of an heading. So this is very useful when you want to show different services that you have. So in order to do this, we'll require three things. So the first thing that we'll require is we have to create a page where we'll put the animated heading. So we have this page from the last tutorial. So this is where we'll be putting the animated heading. And for the animated heading to work, we'll require a free plugin. So we already have Elementor installed in our WordPress website, and then we'll install another plugin. So we'll go to plugins and add new, and in the plugin section we'll search for a plugin called Move Elementor. So Move Elementor plugins, so we'll find this one. This is the plugin we're looking for. So it has 3 5-star ratings, 900 plus active installations, and it is compatible with my version of WordPress, and it was updated 4 days ago. This is a very new plugin which has come into the market, but it has provided some very unique and free features which are really something that you can add to your website for increasing the features or maybe the look of your website. So we'll just install the plugin, and once the plugin has been installed, we will activate the plugin. So once the plugin has been activated, this is the main dashboard. This is what you get to see once you have activated the plugin. So we'll go to the widget section, and so there are lots of widgets, so you can turn on and off whatever widgets you require, because if you keep all the widgets whichever you're not using, if all the widgets are on, then that would have a much more loading time once you're editing. So we'll turn all these sections off, and we'll only have this animated heading, and we'll turn off all these widgets. So there are lots of widgets for this Move Elementor plugin. So if you want a detailed video on this Move, so you can also check their website. So if you see their website, it has a lot, it has lots of features for the plugins. So you can just see their website. So these are the elements that they have. So for example, if you see the accordion widget, the normal accordion of Elementor, and you can see that this is their accordion. So they will show you whatever features their plugins have. So this is accordion 1, so this is one style you can use, and there's another style you can use. So this is another style. This is a third style, so you have an image background, and this is another style where you have a small text on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side you have the accordion. So there are lots of types of accordions that you have. So as you can see, this is the image which is at the right, and then you have accordion on the left with icons on the left hand side. So there are lots of different widgets that you have for from this Move plugin, but we'll concentrate only on the heading, animated heading. So I'll just save the changes because there are lots of widgets here. So once we have saved the changes, we'll go back to our website, the page that we want to put the heading on, and we click on edit with Elementor. So we, in the last video, we have already created a transparent header for our home page. For example, if this is the home page that we want to create, so we already have created a transparent header. This is also a free way that you can create a transparent header on your website. So first you can check out that video if you want to create a transparent header. And we have also applied a spacer here, but now that we'll be putting the heading here, we do not need the spacer, because without the spacer the background won't be visible. So that is why we had put the spacer. But now we won't be putting any spacer, we would be directly going for the heading. So we'll search for animated heading. So this is the animated heading widget that we want, and this is Elementor provides an animated heading, but that is a pro feature. So we'll use the free version of Move plugin and create this animated heading just like this one. So we'll put in the animated heading widget, And for this we'll just click on this section, and height will click it as minimum height. So, and we'll increase the height a bit, and then the column is at the middle of the section, which is okay for me. So I'll just edit this widget now. So there are 2-3 things. So there are different layouts for this animated heading. So we'll choose the layout. We'll see. So this is heading, this is a style, but we'll go ahead with one. And so this is the text which would come before the animated heading. So this is heading before text, and you can change the type of the animation. So you can have a loading bar. Don't know what the loading bar does. We'll check the slide. So we'll have to update and check it, I believe. So we'll just put it at type, and I believe that would give the effect of a typewriter, but we'll see what that does. So the heading before text is online tutoring, and then we have an ampersand, which is for this and sign, and then after that you have life coach, life and coach. So what that would do is it would write in online tutoring and then the life coach, life and coach that would be coming, that would be animated. So it would be, there will be a typing effect on that. So we'll just click on update, and let's just change the style of it, because so first we'll change the background. We'll add an overlay to the background so that it is much more visible. So in the overlay section we'll add a black overlay, and opacity is okay. And for this we'll change the style. The before text style should be white, and the after text animated text style can be, will make it a bit yellowish so that it will be much more visible. And you have other options for changing the style, like the typography, the radius, background type, box shadow, all these kind of things, but we'll just focus on the animated heading for this tutorial, and we'll update this, and we'll check out the preview. So as you can see, this is the animated heading. So it is the sections which we have put in, the material content that we have put in the animated section, that is getting typed onto the screen. But we'll change this style, and we'll, for the animation type, we'll see loading bar, and we'll see how that looks like. And once you update, if you open the preview already, so you will see this is what it looks like. So you have online tutoring and live. So there is a loading bar below it, and I believe you can change the style, the color of the loading bar as well. Yes, so this is the loading bar color. So guys, the best part about using this move plugin is that most of the features are free. So it's not like there's a, there's no catches to that. So it's not like you have one widget and a part of that is free, and then for unlocking more sections you have to purchase the pro version. So this is a very good free plugin for Elementor that you can use on your website. So for the loading bar, we'll change the color to white, and we'll see how that looks like. We'll update that, and if you reload the site, you can see that the loading bar color has changed to white. So this is a really very good effect for your home page. So again, we'll change the loading bar animation type to slide. So slide is pretty common, so that would just make the content slide. We'll check that. So as you can see, it is sliding from the top, but I'd like to see if we can change the sliding option. We cannot change the sliding option, so you cannot like make the slide happen from the left or from the bottom. That would happen from the top itself. So as you can see, it is sliding from the top. So we'll change the animated style to clip. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, so this is really good if you have a lot of services that you want to show on your home page in a nice animated style. So we'll check out zoom, scale, push, and this is scale, how that looks like. Okay. So guys, there are lots of types that you can use. So we'll see rotate style one. So this is the one that we had, I mean, in the preview site, as you can see. So this is the preview site. So this is what it's there, rotate style one. So you have events, you have public relations, you have awards, you have weddings. So all these are services, and it's a very neat way of showing it on your home page. So guys, that is how you would create a animated heading, and you can just change this text for your whatever service you have. So we'll just change the life coach to tutorials maybe. And once you change tutorial, so that would be coming up here. If you update the page, you check. So now you have tutorials and then all the other content that you have. So this is a nice way of putting in an animated heading. So we'll just check out rotate style 2 as well, see how that looks. So this is very nice. So guys, that is how you like to create an animated heading, animated heading, and that is for free. So you just need to have the Move plugin and Elementor installed on your WordPress website. So guys, if you have learned anything of value today, or if you have learned something that you would be using in your next WordPress website project, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.